Hi there! Welcome to Isabel Explains, the channel where you learn what you wish they would teach you in school. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can legally start investing before you turn 18. Let's go! So you've probably been learning about the power of compound interest and how the younger you start investing, the more money you'll have to retire with. I am so happy that you know this, but a huge misconception I run into with my students is that they think that they have to wait until they turn 18 to start investing, and that is just not true.
Are you for real?
Well, kinda. I'll explain in a minute. Technically, you can start investing at any age with what is called a custodial account. There are two types of custodial accounts: Uniform Gift to Minors Act, or UGMA, and Uniform Transfers to Minors Act, or UTMA. The biggest difference between the UGMA and the UTMA is the kind of assets that you can hold in them. For example, with a UGMA, you can have stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, but with a UTMA, you can have stocks, bonds, mutual funds, but also real estate, jewelry, or even art. Just make sure that you choose an account that meets your financial needs. Now, the great question is, how can I get me one of those? Well, this is when you are kind of right and you can't really start investing on your own before you turn 18. But you can get a trusting adult to open one for you. Mind you, I said trusting adult. This can be your parents, a relative, a really good family friend, a pastor, or someone that you can just know, that you can blindly trust with your money and that they know what they're doing. Because technically, they will be the owner of the account until you become of age. And depending on the country, state, and bank that you're using, that can be anywhere between 18 years old to 25 years old. So make sure to read that super little fine print, all right? Now, if you want to learn more about custodial accounts, make sure to check out the article I left for you in the video description. And if you want to take it a little further and learn more about how to build a healthy relationship with money at a young age, make sure to check out my personal finance course, or come to one of my game nights, or read one of the books I left for you under resources. I'll see you around, and always remember to keep on learning.